Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Neo4j Aura to AWS for graph analytics, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Neo4j Aura to AWS for graph analytics, start by creating an account on Neo4j Aura. Once logged in, navigate to the project dashboard. Click on Create a Database to set up a new Neo4j Aura database. Select your preferred database size and region to optimize performance. After configuring the settings, click Create to launch your database. Wait for the database to initialize, which may take a few minutes. Once the database is ready, click on it to access the database details. Find the connection string in the database details section. This connection string will be used to connect your application to Neo4j Aura. Next, log in to your AWS Management Console. From the console, navigate to the Identity and Access Management (IAM) section. Create a new IAM user with programmatic access. Assign the user permissions that allow access to AWS services required for your project. After creating the user, make a note of the access key ID and secret access key. Now, go to the AWS Management Console homepage. Search for and select the EC2 service to launch a new instance. Choose an Amazon Machine Image (AMI) that suits your project. Select the instance type based on your resource requirements. Configure the instance details and make sure to set up a VPC if needed. Continue to add storage options and tags as per your needs. Finally, review the settings and launch the instance. Connect to your EC2 instance using SSH once it's running. Install necessary software and libraries on your EC2 instance to enable Neo4j connectivity. Use the connection string from Neo4j Aura to configure your application to connect to the database. Test the connection to ensure everything is set up correctly. Run your graph analytics queries to begin analyzing your data on AWS. Monitor your instance and database performance through the respective dashboards. Adjust resources as necessary based on your workload requirements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.